So what actually happens to humanity and nature after the final bombs fall? Let's dive in.
You know, it's not just about the destruction. It's the beginning of a new, dark era for Earth.
And we're not talking about just a chilly season. This is a planetary event that freezes the world.
The sun just vanishes, and with it, the very engine that powers all life on Earth shuts down.
For both us and the natural world, the shock is immediate and total, a complete system meltdown.
Suddenly, society as we know it is gone. In this new world, trust becomes the only real currency.
Imagine a deep freeze that lasts for years, but eventually, after decades, the first light breaks through.
And with humanity basically out of the picture, nature begins its incredible comeback story.
Nature wastes no time erasing our mark. Our concrete jungles literally become real jungles once again.
Okay, so nature's recovering. But what about us? Survivors emerge, and they face a monumental task.
The goal isn't just rebuilding the old world. It's about creating a whole new, sustainable future.
Forget money. Real practical skills are now everything. Farmers and engineers, they're the new leaders.
But humanity has a choice to make, a huge one. 3 very different paths lie ahead.
And this one choice, harmony, conflict, or control, is going to define what it means to be human.
Path 1 is all about harmony, a smaller humanity living with nature, not fighting against it. Path 2? Well, that's pure chaos.